Leaving Earth, a blast of science. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, could we go there? The vastness of space has always intrigued humanity, sparking our curiosity and driving us to explore the unknown. The answer, amazingly, is yes. But space travel is hard. It requires overcoming numerous challenges and pushing the boundaries of what we know. It takes a lot of science and engineering. Teams of dedicated scientists and engineers work tirelessly to make space travel possible. It starts with a simple law, Newton's third law of motion. This fundamental principle is the backbone of rocket science. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Think of a rocket. When it expels gas downwards, it propels itself upwards. It blasts hot gas out of its bottom. This is the action. The force of the gas being expelled creates an equal force in the opposite direction. The reaction is the rocket going up, the opposite direction. This principle is what allows rockets to soar into the sky. This is how rockets escape Earth's gravity. They must reach a speed of about 25,000 miles per hour to break free from our planet's gravitational pull. It's like jumping off a skateboard. You go one way, the skateboard goes the other. This simple analogy helps us understand the complex physics at play. But getting to space is just the beginning. Once there, astronauts face a whole new set of challenges. Space is a harsh environment. It's not just the lack of gravity. The conditions are extreme and unforgiving. There's no air to breathe and it's incredibly cold. Temperatures can plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing. Plus, there's dangerous radiation from the sun. This radiation can be harmful, even deadly, without proper protection. To survive, astronauts need special suits and spacecraft that protect them. These suits are marvels of engineering, designed to keep astronauts safe. Imagine a spaceship like a giant, complex thermos. It must maintain a stable internal environment despite the harsh conditions outside. It keeps the astronauts warm and provides them with air to breathe. Life support systems are crucial for maintaining a livable atmosphere. It also shields them from radiation, like a lead apron at the dentist's office. This protection is vital for long-term space missions. And of course, it needs to carry enough food, water, and fuel for the entire journey. Every detail must be meticulously planned to ensure the mission's success. Destination Mars, the red planet awaits. The journey to Mars is not just a dream anymore, it's becoming a reality. Mars, the red planet, has fascinated humans for centuries. Its mysterious surface, with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons, has always sparked our curiosity. And now we're closer than ever to sending humans there. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to make this mission possible. But first, let's talk about the journey. It's not just about getting there. It's about surviving the trip and making it back safely. Mars is far, really far. The distance between Earth and Mars varies, but on average it's about 140 million miles away. On average it's about 140 million miles away. To put that into perspective, that's like walking around the Earth over 5,000 times. That's like walking around the Earth over 5,000 times. Imagine the endurance and resources needed for such a journey. A spaceship would take about 6 to 8 months to get there, depending on the positions of Earth and Mars. Timing is crucial to ensure the shortest and safest route. That's a long time to be in space. Astronauts will need to be prepared for the physical and psychological challenges of such an extended mission. To get to Mars, we need powerful rockets, much stronger than the ones we use to get to orbit. These rockets must be capable of carrying heavy payloads and traveling vast distances. We also need special spacecraft designed for this long journey. These spacecraft will be equipped with advanced technology to support life and ensure the safety of the crew. These spacecraft will be like giant, self-sufficient homes, complete with living spaces, laboratories, and even greenhouses to grow food. Every aspect of daily life must be considered and planned for. The journey to Mars will be a challenging one, fraught with dangers and uncertainties. From cosmic radiation to mechanical failures, the crew must be ready for anything, but the rewards are immense. Successfully landing on Mars would be a monumental achievement for humanity. Mars represents a new frontier for humanity, a chance to explore a new world and unravel the mysteries of our solar system. The discoveries we make could change our understanding of life in the universe. The challenges of space, a cosmic obstacle course. Space travel is not for the faint of heart. It's a cosmic obstacle course filled with challenges. One of the biggest is keeping astronauts healthy. In space, our bodies change. Without gravity pulling on us, our muscles and bones weaken. Imagine floating in a swimming pool for months. That's what it's like for astronauts. To stay healthy, they need to exercise for hours every day. Then there's radiation. On Earth, our atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays. But in space, astronauts are exposed to much higher levels of radiation. It's like getting a lot of X-rays, not good for your health. To protect astronauts, spacecraft need special shielding. Imagine a thick lead blanket wrapped around the spaceship, blocking the radiation. But even with shielding, long-term space travel poses health risks. Life on Mars? Searching for clues. Why go through all this trouble to get to Mars? One reason is the search for life. Billions of years ago, Mars was a much warmer and wetter planet. It may have even had oceans like Earth. Scientists believe that life, even if just tiny microbes, might have existed on Mars long ago. And if we find evidence of past life, it would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. To search for signs of life, we send robotic explorers to Mars. These rovers are like robotic geologists, equipped with tools to study rocks, soil, and the Martian atmosphere. They act as our eyes and ears on Mars, sending back valuable data that helps us understand this alien world. The search for life on Mars is a long shot, but the potential payoff is enormous. It would not only revolutionize our understanding of the universe, but also raise profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Section 5. Beyond the Red Planet, Europa, and beyond. Mars isn't the only place in our solar system that's piqued our curiosity. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is covered in ice, but beneath that icy shell, scientists believe there's a vast ocean of liquid water. And where there's water, there could be life. Imagine alien creatures swimming in an ocean hidden beneath miles of ice. Reaching Europa is a daunting task. It's much farther away than Mars, and the journey would take several years. We'd need even more powerful rockets and spacecraft capable of withstanding the intense radiation surrounding Jupiter. But the possibility of finding life beyond Earth, even in the most unexpected places, is a powerful motivator. Europa represents just one of many exciting destinations in our solar system waiting to be explored. Section 6. The human factor. Astronauts in the final frontier. Exploring space is about more than just rockets and robots. It's about the human spirit. Astronauts are modern-day explorers, venturing into the unknown and pushing the boundaries of human achievement. But being an astronaut is tough. They undergo years of training, learning how to operate complex spacecraft, conduct experiments, and even spacewalk. Imagine floating hundreds of miles above Earth, with only a thin spacesuit separating you from the vacuum of space. It takes incredible courage, skill, and teamwork to be an astronaut. And let's not forget the psychological challenges. Astronauts spend months confined in a small spacecraft, far from family and friends. They have to be adaptable, resilient, and able to work effectively in high-pressure situations. Section 7. Interstellar Dreams. Reaching for the stars. Traveling beyond our solar system to other stars and planets is the ultimate dream. But interstellar travel is incredibly complex. The distances are mind-boggling. The closest star to our sun, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. That means it takes light, the fastest thing in the universe, over 4 years to travel that distance. With our current technology, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach even the nearest star. We need revolutionary new technologies like fusion rockets or even warp drives to make interstellar travel a reality. Fusion power, the same energy that powers the sun, could potentially propel spacecraft at incredible speeds. Imagine a rocket engine that could run for decades, constantly accelerating and reaching a significant fraction of the speed of light. Section 8. Warp drives and wormholes. Science fiction or future reality. Warp drives and wormholes sound like something out of Star Trek, but they're concepts that physicists are actually exploring. These ideas, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now being seriously considered by scientists around the world. A warp drive would involve bending space-time itself, creating a bubble around a spacecraft that would allow it to travel faster than light. This concept, known as the Alcubierre drive, was proposed by physicist Miguel Alcubierre in 1994. Imagine a piece of paper with 2 dots on it. The dots represent stars, and the paper represents space-time. The distance between the dots is the space a spacecraft would need to travel. Now fold the paper so the dots touch. This simple analogy helps us understand how a warp drive could theoretically shorten the distance between 2 points. That's essentially what a warp drive would do. Fold space-time to create shortcuts. This would make interstellar travel much faster and more efficient. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels that connect different points in space-time. They are often depicted in science fiction as gateways to distant parts of the universe. Think of it like a shortcut through the universe. If wormholes exist, they could potentially allow for instantaneous travel across vast distances. While these concepts are still highly speculative, they offer tantalizing glimpses into the possibilities of interstellar travel. The idea of traveling to distant stars and galaxies in a matter of moments is incredibly exciting. The science of interstellar travel is still in its infancy, but the human imagination knows no bounds. Researchers are continually pushing the limits of what we know and exploring new frontiers. By pushing the boundaries of science and technology, we may one day unlock the secrets to exploring the vast cosmos. The future of space travel holds endless possibilities, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the years to come. Section 9, Our Future in Space, a Universe of Possibilities. Space exploration is more than just a grand adventure. It's about the future of humanity. As we continue to explore space, we'll make new discoveries, develop new technologies, and inspire future generations. Imagine a future where we have settlements on Mars, mine asteroids for resources, and travel to other star systems. The possibilities are limitless, but space exploration is not just about us, it's about protecting our planet. By studying other planets, we can learn more about Earth and how to protect our own environment. Space exploration is an investment in our future, a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our innate desire to explore the universe and understand our place within it.